Prepare for a cosmic adventure. Incredible facts about the Milky Way you won't believe. 1. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy. 2. It is estimated to be between 1,000,000 and 1,20,000 light-years in diameter. 3. The Milky Way is home to over 200 billion stars. 4. The galaxy gets its name from the milky white band of light that is visible in the night sky, which is caused by the concentration of stars and dust. 5. Our solar system is located about 27,000 light-years away from the center of the Milky Way. 6. The Milky Way has a supermassive black hole at its center known as Sagittarius A*. 7. The exact number of arms in the Milky Way is still debated among astronomers, but it is generally believed to have 4 major spiral arms: the Perseus arm, the Norma arm, the Scutum Centaurus arm, and the Sagittarius arm. 8. The Milky Way is part of a larger galaxy group called the Local Group, which also includes the Andromeda Galaxy and about 54 other smaller galaxies. 9. The Milky Way is constantly moving through space. It is currently on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy and is expected to collide with it in about 4 billion years. 10. The Milky Way is believed to have formed approximately 13.6 billion years ago, not long after the Big Bang. 11. The age of the stars in the Milky Way varies, with some being as old as 13 billion years and others being younger, around 1 billion years old. 12. The Milky Way is home to several satellite galaxies, including the large and small Magellanic Clouds. 13. The Milky Way is a relatively flat, disc-shaped galaxy with a bulging central region and spiral arms extending outward. 14. The disk of the Milky Way is approximately 1,000 light-years thick. 15. The Milky Way is estimated to contain about 1.5 trillion solar masses. 16. The space between stars in the Milky Way is not completely empty but contains a tenuous gas called the interstellar medium. 17. The Milky Way is part of a larger structure called the Virgo supercluster, which contains thousands of galaxies. 18. The Milky Way has a galactic halo surrounding it, which is made up of globular clusters, old stars, and dark matter. 19. The Milky Way has a rotational period of about 250 million years. 20. The stars in the Milky Way don't move randomly but follow predictable orbits around the galactic center. 21. The Milky Way is visible in the night sky as a cloudy band of light during both the summer and winter months. 22. Light from distant stars in the Milky Way takes thousands or millions of years to reach Earth, so when we look at the night sky, we are essentially looking back in time. 23. The Milky Way is home to various types of objects including pulsars, supernovae remnants, and stellar clusters. 24. The Milky Way is believed to have a halo of dark matter, which is a type of matter that does not interact with light and has only been observed indirectly through its effects on visible matter. 25. The Milky Way has been studied and observed by astronomers for centuries, but its true nature and structure were only fully understood in recent decades thanks to advancements in technology and space missions. 26. The light pollution caused by human activities makes it increasingly difficult to observe the Milky Way in its full glory in many populated areas. 27. The Milky Way is estimated to have formed from the collision and merging of smaller galaxies over billions of years. 28. The Milky Way is not the only galaxy in the universe, and there are billions of other galaxies similar to or different from our own. 29. The Milky Way is constantly releasing gas into space through stellar winds and supernova explosions. 30. The exact number of stars in the Milky Way is uncertain, but estimates range from about 100 billion to over 400 billion stars.